Muzata.
Muzata lag screw one-piece turnbuckle kit is designed with one-piece pretty appearance, and made of marine grade T316 stainless steel, great for both outdoor and indoor application. We also sell these parts separately. Just search Muzata and part number to find them. Firstly, you need a Muzata hydraulic crimper, which is designed for swagging stainless fittings. It comes with a pair of dies made of hardened alloy steel. For your information, most hydraulic crimpers on market are designed for copper and aluminum. The body and dies might break if you use them for stainless steel. And you also need a cable cutter to cut the wire rope. And some stainless steel cable, which is very popular for its great outdoor rust resistance and weather protection. We also have many types of cable with different length, including T316 marine grade, galvanized steel, vinyl coated steel. You can find them in Muzata one-stop shop. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. Firstly, we divide the height of post into equal length for each run and mark with pencil. Then we start with the small end side. Drill a hole before installing could make it much easier. Screw the terminal into post with a wrench. Put cable in and crimp twice so it won't loose. Then we take next step to install turnbuckle side. Drill. Screw in. Extend the turnbuckle before measuring cable length so there will be some extra room for tensioning at the last step. Measure and cut. Put cable in and crimp. Rotate turnbuckle to tighten wire rope. Fasten turnbuckle with the nuts. And it is done. It is easy to do it all by yourself without being a pro. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.